If you are going to create a YouTube channel and want to earn money from it, and you are worried about niches, what niche is right for your channel? In this video, I will explain the niche and how it affects your YouTube earning. Let's start the video. Welcome to Star Technology 5G. What is YouTube niche? A YouTube niche is the main topic, the main category that a video creator focuses on when creating YouTube content. The more interesting the niche topic is, the easier it is for the algorithm and your targeted audience to view you as an expert on that particular niche. The importance of YouTube niche. If you are serious about starting your YouTube channel, you should consider choosing a niche right at the beginning of your career. Your YouTube income completely depends upon your niche. How interesting your niche is, the more it engages an audience while earning more. The more you postpone it, the more you will be running around in circles, farther away from your first $1 million. How do I choose a niche for YouTube? Think about your hobbies, your professional experiences, and your passions. What skills do you have that you could share with your audience? Think about something that you would be comfortable talking about for the following years. Take your time, reflect on it. Pick one topics and focus only on creating that kind of YouTube videos. Find out if there is an audience for this niche. You may think your ideas are original and catchy, but it wouldn't hurt to double check if there is an actual audience for your niche. Carry out a thorough research and choose the niche that has a decent amount of interested audience. How do I find a profitable niche? Your YouTube income depends on your niche. So you need to do some research on your niche. Check out different niches' CPM rates. CPM stands for cost per mile and tells you how much YouTube pays you for 1,000 ad views on average. In some niches, such as tech, you have to invest a lot of money into making your content before you start earning. What niches are profitable on YouTube? The most profitable niches on YouTube are currently related to generating additional income streams, digital marketing, and personal finance. Each of them has an average cost per mil, CPM, of over $10. What niche has the highest CPM on YouTube? Content about making money online has the highest CPM rates on YouTube, with average values of $13.52. Especially creators in the affiliate marketing niche cash in big, with CPMs of $22. Top 10 most profitable YouTube niches, based on their CPM rates. If you want to earn more money on YouTube, then you should work on these YouTube niches. Making money online. To start with, the single most profitable YouTube niche is strategies for making money online. Countless people hit YouTube to learn how to generate additional income streams online. On average, creators in this niche see a CPM of $13.52. Some sub-niches are even more profitable. Content centered around making money through affiliate marketing can reach CPM heights of up to $22. Digital marketing. Digital marketing has the second highest income potential on YouTube. Social media marketing channels, for instance, see average CPM of $12.52. Personal finance and investments. In third place is another money-related niche, personal finance and investments. Channels in this niche give advice on anything from stock market terminology to making money through crypto. Creators see CPM rates of up to $12. Educational content. Ranking fourth is a fairly broad category, educational content. Some of the most subscribed YouTube channels out there focus on education content for kids. But also adult topics are in high demand, ranging from history to how to use Microsoft Office. On average, YouTubers in this niche see CPM of $9.89. Tech, cars, and gadgets. Another high-earning niche is technology, especially cars and gadgets. Whether it's a review of the new MacBook Air, a comparison between Nikon and Fuji cameras, or a test drive in a new Ferrari, advertisers love tech content. Within the niche, there's a range of CPM rates. Photography YouTubers, for instance, can see rates as high as $7.31, while average CPM rates for car channels lie at $4.32. Lifestyle. One of the most popular types of YouTube content is the lifestyle niche. Viewers love to follow other people's travels and their careers, glimpse into their homes, and stay tuned on their relationships. Advertisers know this. On average, lifestyle YouTubers can expect CPM of $3.47. Fashion and try-on hauls. It used to be the likes of Vogue and Cosmo that set the trends and shaped popular opinion on fashion. Now, it's creators on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Fashion YouTubers are among the most popular influencers. And content such as try-on hauls can earn them average CPM of $3.13. Cooking. Especially during the pandemic, cooking channels saw an incredible boost. More and more people are turning to YouTube for recipe inspiration, to boost their kitchen skills, or to marvel at others' amazing creations. Cooking channels are fairly profitable in terms of CPM rates, with average values at $2.50. Fitness and bodybuilding. Like cooking channels, fitness and bodybuilding content has seen a significant rise in popularity. From beginners yoga to weighted jump ropes for muscle growth, YouTube audiences flock to channels that help them reach their body goals. Advertisers acknowledge that, with average CPM of $1.60. Video games. Finally, there's video games, one of the biggest niches on YouTube. Whether it's reviews, advanced walkthroughs, streaming or simply gameplay with engaging commentary, gaming content can earn passionate YouTubers several million views. Many gaming expos now dedicate space to video content creators, making them into some of the biggest YouTuber events as well. In fact, several of the most subscribed channels and highest earning YouTubers, such as PewDiePie, fall into the gaming niche. On average, creators in this niche see CPM rates of around $1.40. Not all niches are created equal. If your primary goal on YouTube is to generate an income, you need to take that into account when you start your channel. However, you also need to factor in how much you need to invest in creating content in each niche, and how fierce competition is. At the end of the day, you need to weigh all these factors carefully against your own passions and interests. Only then can you choose the niche that's perfect for you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Star Technology. Please like and share the video.